Why do you shut me out? Why do you shut the world out? What are you so afraid of? I said enough! Elsa.
Nothing left to lose now. Nothing but the truth. What I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My heart was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. Smiling on the surface, wishing I was perfect, just like you. Fighting to be flawless, anything but honest. Thinking you'd hate me if you knew. I let the fear in, I try to mask it. Scared of the mirror, I should've smashed it and shown you the madness, the dreams and the damage. And damn it, I hate this disguise.
Please, I can't live like this anymore.
I broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why